today. I can't believe we were invited. There's gonna be so many celebrities there. Do you think she'll like her cookie cake?
Yeah.
What's wrong, Boynie?
Well, Karen, I just don't feel like going to an A-list celebrity birthday party today.
What, Boynie? You've been so excited ever since Beyonce invited you when you got her out of a speeding ticket.
I know, but I didn't realize her birthday was on the same day Steve Irwin died.
What?
Well, yeah, Karen, today's the day Steve Irwin was tragically taken from us by that damn stingray. Oh, I'm so upset.
Well, Boynie, the party will distract you.
No, it won't, Karen. How am I supposed to just sit there and eat cake and play pin the ring on the single lady when I know Steve Irwin was brutally impaled by a stingray on this day? How can people party on a day like this? It's like partying on 9/11.
But, Boynie, you party on 9/11.
Yeah, okay, well they say never forget, not never party. Partying's the best way to remember.
Well, let's party to remember Steve Irwin.
Karen, are you sick in the head? That's my whole point. We can't party today. Today's a day of mourning. Karen, did you take a bite out of Beyonce's f***ing cookie cake?
I took a little nibble to make sure it wasn't stale.
Okay, that's it. We're definitely not going now.
But Boynie, you told her you would go when she invited you on Facebook.
I said maybe because I wanted to be mysterious.
Oh, but Boynie, look, she hearted it.
Karen, there's gonna be so many other celebrities there, she's not even gonna know we're not there.
You're gonna break her heart, Boynie.
Look, I'm just gonna message Beyonce on Facebook and tell her I can't make it. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Sorry I can't make it to your party. There. And now she's calling me.
Boynie, answer it.
Ugh. Hello, Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce. What do you want, Beyonce?
Brooklyn guy, please tell me the message you sent me was a joke. You're still coming to my birthday party, right?
No, Beyonce, it's not a joke. I just can't make it to your birthday party. I really wanted to, but I can't. Maybe next year? Actually, probably not. Maybe not any year, unless it's on a different day.
So you have a problem with the day I was born?
Well, yeah, it's just a bad day. It's not you, it's the day. Actually, the whole month of September's bad. Like, 9/11 happened in September, and Hurricane Katrina, and Queen Elizabeth II died. You know, there's a reason Green Day wanted to sleep through this month.
I don't give a stabbing stingray that you don't like the month of September. You better show up to my birthday.
Okay, now that is not a common expression. That's it. I'm not coming to your birthday. Bye.
Wait, Boynie, we're not gonna go?
Did you hear her, Karen? She took a jab at Steve. That really stung. Now I'm doing it. On the day of Steve's death. I'm so sorry, Steve. All right, I'm just gonna go to work to get my mind off this.
Well, Boynie, can I still go?
No, Karen, she's not even gonna care. Just stay here and eat the carrot cake. Cookie cake. Karen, eat it. You already started. It's not carrot cake.